Do you and your colleagues waste resources duplicating tasks, managing and updating various vessels' documents? Are you tired of the mundane manual data entry to your multiple questionnaires? AXSQ is here to alleviate your data entry headache. Smart, transparent, secure. AXSQ, your questionnaire management simplified. Imagine a standardized and clear communication platform between owners, managers, brokers, charterers, captains, and port agents. This is AXSQ. All stakeholders manage multiple and customized questionnaire formats in one place. No more time wasted searching for details. AXSQ detects and links duplicated data across multiple questionnaire formats, automatically populating identical data fields. Run your advanced technical description searches in a user-friendly format. Benefit from the automated data entry. Save time and energy to focus on your growing business. AXSQ optimizes your overall database organization. Users can find, compare, and share any relevant data in any vessel segment. AXSQ takes your data control to the next level. Manage and protect your data in public or private mode. Give individual users access only to the data they need. Get access today to the industry standard of tomorrow. Get started today at www.AXSMarine.com.